new channel Architech, and today I am going to show you unboxing of Phantom 4 Pro Plus. So let's move towards video. This is the unlock key. You have to just untick this and you can see here Phantom 4 Plus. So this is the cable, this is adapter, this is our Phantom 4 Pro Plus. It's really looking good. This is remote control. This contains LCD panel. Again, here is some USB transfer cable. And yeah, these are the blades. There are 8 blades. And this is user guide manual. And here again one OTG cable. So these are the components which are packed inside the box, and this is Phantom 4 Plus drone, and this is the battery. It can actually be removed like this and can be inserted. Also remote control. This also contains battery, but this is not removable. And on this LCD panel we can see the live picture, live video shooted from this camera. So these are all about Phantom Pro 4 Plus. Thank you guys for watching. So guys, this is all about Phantom 4 Plus, and this is ARC. My name is Aditya, and this is new YouTube channel, so you can like, share and subscribe. So also comment in comment section below about what you feel about Phantom 4 Plus. And this is new channel, so like, subscribe and show your support. Thank you guys.